Vermont and Strauss, Florida tag, George David, Tom 04, GGDT 04 on a blue Infinity.
Watch how the deputy initiates this contact. He immediately states the reason for the stop, establishing legal justification right out of the gate. This is essential for the deputy to maintain the high ground. When dealing with a driver, clear, concise communication is the first defense against a claim of improper procedure.
The speed limit back there is 55.
Yeah, that's what I was going on.
No, you're going 85. Yeah, you're cruising. Do you have your license on you?
Sure.
This section now is 45.
Right, because I'm almost home. I've done, okay.
Thank you. Everything good with your license? No outstanding tickets or anything like that?
No.
I'll be right with you.
At this point, the subject is clearly stalling. She is testing the deputy's patience by challenging the legality of the speed limit and the stop itself. As an analyst, I look at how the officer maintains his composure. He's depersonalizing the interaction. He isn't arguing with a person. He is executing a procedure. This is the hallmark of a veteran officer.
Citation for that speed, okay? The 85 and the 45. It does
not going 45.
So with that, you don't get any of the three options. You have to contact this number on the front and schedule a court hearing, okay? It doesn't allow me to give you a fine amount, all right? All I need from you is a signature.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Deputy Davidson. It's right there on the bottom of the citation right there.
You didn't hear what I asked. Yeah.
You said, what is my name? I said,
No,
it's Deputy Davidson.
I did not ask you that.
Okay.
Sir. You said that I have to go for a court hearing. I said, what do you mean by that?
It means you got to contact that number and schedule an appearance in front of the judge. The speed is too great for me to issue a fine amount because you're over 30 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Okay.
So all I need is a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to contact that number and schedule a court date. That's all.
I'm not sure if I should sign anything that I'm not
supposed to. I'm just going to tell you a refusal to sign a citation is an arrestable offense.
The subject makes a fatal tactical error here. She threatens to call a family member to handle the situation. In the officer's mind, this is not just a call for help, it's a potential distraction. The deputy remains firm. He knows he has the authority. He is setting the rules of engagement for the remainder of the stop.
Something that I'm not comfortable with, and then I said, let me
you're
make
signing
sure. Because you said you're going to arrest me for something that I do not understand why you're going to arrest me for. So I need to call my family member.
You don't have to call your family member.
Yes,
you're an adult.
I do, sir.
No, you don't.
No, yeah, sir.
I'm telling you right now.
Legal right. I have my rights.
Okay,
my rights
driving is a privilege, not a right. We're going to start out with that. So again, you were doing 85 miles an hour and a posted 45 mile an hour speed limit.
I said I was not. I was 55.
We're not going to argue road sign. That's something that you go to a judge.
Correct.
And in this case, you don't get three options like a normal speed citation. You get the option of calling the number and scheduling a court hearing. At that time, you can make your argument with the judge that you were not speeding. Okay? That's the time that you get to argue. You don't get to argue roadside. Okay?
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are arguing with me.
Okay.
Okay?
So you're going to arrest me because I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not saying you're not. I'm not saying I'm arresting you for not agreeing. I'm saying if you fail to sign a citation for a court date.
I am picking up the citation. I will go to the court, but I'm not signing something that I do not understand.
The escalation here is purely procedural. The subject believes that not signing the citation means she doesn't have to accept it. Legally, the signature is simply an acknowledgment of receipt, not an admission of guilt. Her refusal creates an arrestable offense where none previously existed. This is a classic case of a minor civil issue turning into a criminal detention because the subject failed to understand the legal mechanism of a citation.
Tell you that I can arrest you for not signing the citation.
No, you cannot arrest me for that.
All right. It's called failure to sign a summons.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll be right with you. You can't leave.
Yes, I can leave.
You want to go to jail today. You want to go to f***ing jail today.
Shoot me there. Shoot me.
You want to stop your car and put it in park right now.
Okay.
Get out of the car right
No,
now.
I'm not.
Get out of the car.
No, you
Get
cannot.
out of the
No,
car.
I'm not.
Hey.
Don't swear at me. Don't swear at me.
Ma'am.
You're not, sir.
stop.
He's not allowed to open my vehicle.
Yes, he is allowed.
No, he's
telling
not.
you, why are you driving away from a traffic stop?
Because I'm talking to him, he walked away from me.
I said hold
He
tight
didn't-
right now.
No, sir. I was talking to him.
So you would drive
and
away
he-
while he's got your driver's license and all your
He
paperwork?
gave me my driver's license. He gave me my paperwork. And then he told me something that I don't agree with. He said, if you do not agree with that, I said to you, you will go to jail. I said, no. I want to call my family member to see why I'm going to jail for. I'm a citizen in here. What am I going to jail for? You give me a citation, sir. You give me a citation, sir. I said I will comply. I gave you my license and everything. So now you tell me you're going to put me to jail.
So, was it 30 over?
85 and a 45.
Okay, so
sir,
yeah, so
I was doing 55.
hey, listen, it doesn't matter if you're doing 55. It doesn't matter. You have to sign that.
Sir.
Yeah, you're not going to sign it? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
And then I will go to the judge.
Okay.
I will
Listen,
go to the
do me a
judge.
favor. No,
Sir.
take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out
hands
of the
on you.
car. Step
No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going.
Watch the officers transition to physical control. Note how they avoid striking or overpowering her needlessly. They're using leverage and control holds to secure the cuffs. This is professional restraint. Even as the subject becomes more volatile, the officers focus on securing the wrists and maintaining control of the environment.
Under arrest! You are under arrest! Put your hands behind your back.
This is not right.
10-4-1 decay.
This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. Sir, this is not right.
Okay, you were.
Sir, this is not right. You just
Listen,
punched me
you
on
were
my
ordered.
face.
He
Sir, you just
explained.
punched me on my
Listen
face.
to me. No, nobody punched you in your face. Say it's all.
So I can
Stop resisting.
I'm not
You're gonna
resisting
get your
anything.
resisting charge.
I'm not doing
Put your hand
anything.
behind your back.
I am.
I don't. What are you reaching for?
I'm not reaching for anything.
Blue team's on this too.
Yep.
You punched me on my face for no reason.
Nobody
Listen,
punched
nobody
you.
punched you.
Okay.
We gave you several
I'm
lawful
recording
orders
this.
to exit. We're recording it too. You were
Okay.
given several lawful orders to exit your vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I told you to step out.
Alright, we're gonna go to the black car.
Can you not push me? No?
You
Can
are
not
under
push me?
arrest.
Can you not? Can I put my shoes
Sir.
on? Can I put my
I'll
shoes
go
on?
get your
sir?
shoes. CDRO,
Yes.
traffic 60.
But take your license.
No. These are my property.
Yes,
This
it's
is
gonna
my
go with
property.
you.
No.
You can go and run the
I'm
RO
putting-
while I
Sir?
find the arrest for resistance.
Let go
Sir, can
of
I
your
have my
license.
property, sir? Sir.
Hey, let go of it. You're under arrest. You can't have anything. You are under arrest, ma'am. Listen to me. Don't make it any harder than it has to be. You're under arrest. You're going to jail. That's it.
Okay, can I have my wallet?
We will get your wallet.
We'll get all your stuff. Did you make sure she don't? I mean, we can't search it, but
Wait a minute.
Alright,
What are you
okay.
doing?
all right.
Why are you
Make sure you don't
following
have
me?
any
Why are you
weapons on
following me, sir? Why are you touching my boob?
No one's touching you. Have a seat.
Okay, don't push me like that.
No one's pushing
That
you.
was so rude.
You're being rude.
No, you were given several orders. You
No,
didn't.
I was
You didn't
not,
comply.
though.
We're gonna
I was not.
seatbelt you. Okay.
Don't
Hey,
touch
put your
me,
rear
though.
camera on. Okay, watch. I'm gonna reach over and grab your seatbelt. Put your camera on.
Did you put your camera
Okay.
on when you punched me, though?
Sit back for me, please.
I am sitting back.
Okay, I need to reach around you.
Sir, can you stop pushing me, please?
Where's your? Hold on.
Sir, can you stop pushing me?
You want to hand it to me?
So you don't like black folks, huh? Is that
Why
what
does it have
it
to be
is?
that?
Because I didn't do
Maybe my
anything.
wife is black. How do you not know that?
Like I said,
How do you not know
I
that?
did not do anything.
Okay.
For you guys
But
to
why do you
manhandling me like that.
automatically assume
For you to manhandling me like that.
you were explaining you have to sign the option or it's jail? And
He
you
told me
said no.
he told me that. I said I don't understand what he's saying. I just need somebody to explain to me what he's saying.
I
And then you
explained it to
called
him
you,
3 or 4 times.
push me, punch me on my face, and then put me in here for what? What have I done wrong? Okay, that thing is really tight. It's breaking my arm.
It's breaking. Well, sit
No,
back.
the handcuff.
Okay. They're not comfortable. They're not designed to be comfortable. Traffic 6. Jesus.
So
She just.
I got my camera still running because I'm inventorying.
Yes,
So I
absolutely.
had her for 85 and the 45. Gave her the 30 over. I told her, I explained it numerous times. I said, because she thinks she was only doing 55. So I told her, if you refuse to sign, I will take you to jail. And then she said she wants to call her family. I said, no. That's not your options now. This is the speed. I explained it again and told her, if you fail to sign, you will go to jail. So she kept going. I'm like, you know what? You think I'm lying? I'll call my supervisor. And that's where we're at.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And I asked her point blank, and she said no. So and she already
And
knew
then
her
I
options.
told her,
So at that point, she was under arrest.
don't leave. I'll be right back. Because I told her I was getting the supervisor.
Yeah.
And as soon as I turned around, she started driving away.
I saw that. Yeah.
So,
All right. Well,
Ultimately,
listen. I'll do the tow sheet. You just want to run her to jail, and I'll handle
I just wanted
this?
to make sure I got everything of value.
Yeah. Just take her. I guess just take her purse.
Yeah, I got her purse. I found another phone in there.
Okay. Make sure there's no large sums of money, narcotics, or anything like that. All right.
So what would happen to my car?
It's going to get towed. I'll give you a tow sheet of where it's going.
Can I please call somebody to come and pick it up? My friend lives right around the corner.
That option is yours.
I just came from visiting my mother's house with some food and stuff. I'm not a criminal. I was just on call for.
The subject's
If I did
refusal to sign
understand
a
something,
simple
I asked you
ticket
to explain
turned a
it. I was
speeding
gonna call
fine
somebody
into
to
a
explain
criminal
it.
charge,
And then
a
you guys
tow, and
manhandled
an
me like that.
arrest.
That wasn't nice.
It is a stark reminder that in any police encounter, compliance is your greatest asset.
Because you told me
What do you
that
think?
I'm gonna go
Was
to
the deputy's refusal to allow her to make a
to
call
the place,
justified,
and I was gonna go
or
to
did the
take care of
situation
that.
spiral out of control unnecessarily? Let us know
Because
your
I did
thoughts
not
below.
understand. I never had
If you
to do
enjoy
that. I
this
never
level
had. They
of
gave me a
procedural
citation. That was
analysis,
it.
please
And then
like
I would
and
go to the
subscribe
court.
for more deep dives into the world of law enforcement.